Good evening, sir.
Good
Good
evening.
evening, sir.
Good evening, Shivangi and Arpita. Okay, fine. So I think Ananya has not come. No idea.
Yes, sir.
Any message from Ananya? No. Okay, so we'll start. Let's see if she joins in between. So what we will do, all the objective questions we will check online and subjectives we'll check afterwards. Okay. So starting, this is
Okay,
the
sir.
first one. Match the columns. And you can check your answers. You can give yourself marks. And if you have any doubt, you can ask. Fromage is cheese. Tour de France is bicycle race of France. Parfum is perfume. La Joconde is painting of Mona Lisa. Festival de Cannes is film festival. And escargot is snail. Done, Shivangi?
So wait first
Okay,
minute.
okay.
I mean second. Not this. Done, sir.
Okay. Now coming to the next question. Choose the correct option. And if you see below, I have numbered. How would you greet your teachers? Bonjour. How would you greet your friends? Salut. When you go to someone's house at night, you say bonsoir. How will you say how are you to an older person? Comment allez-vous? And while leaving someone, you say au revoir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Okay. So these answers are clear, no doubt.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now coming to
Yes,
third.
sir.
Okay. Now coming to third one. Match the questions and the answers. So see, Sava is Sava bien merci. Kamo talevu is kamsi kamsa. Salut Ananya is salut. Au revoir Sivangi is au revoir. Bannui is Bannui miss you. And Bonjour Arpita is Bonjour, mademoiselle.
Done, sir.
Okay. I think Arpita also has finished checking. Now coming to the third one. That's a fourth one. Now you can check the accent. These are the right answers. Bebe, both E is having ague accent. Garçon, C will be having Sadil. Noel, E will be having trema. Mare is grave on E. Hotel, circumflex on O. Fay, ague on the first E. Francais, Sadil in C. Heroine, ague on E and trema on I. Pair is grave on first E and tête is circumflex on first E.
Yes, sir.
You know the meaning of all these words or any new word is there?
Sir, I don't know any of them.
Okay, for you it's okay because you have not done many classes. Shivangi, do you know all the words or any confusion is there? You can ask.
Sir, only pair I don't know. Otherwise, I have written all the words.
No. So,
No, I know. Pair, father, right? Pair means father.
pair is father, mare is mother.
Done, sir.
Then all you know? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now write 10 words from any 10 letters of the alphabet. This one can vary from person to person. So this I will check. So nothing to worry. Just skip this one. This I will check. Sixth, this you can cross check. Vent is 20. Trente is 30. 21 is 21. 17 is 17 and 15 is 15. Okay, easy.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Now this is your right in French. First one is the plus sept égale neuf. This we have learned that plus is for plus and égal is for equal to. So the plus sept égale neuf and 1 moins 12 égale 8. So plus is for plus, moins is for minus, and égal is for equal to. Thank you very much is a merci beaucoup. See you soon is a bientôt, and I am sorry is je suis désolé.
Sir, what is the meaning of then a tutelar? We can't use for see you soon.
Which one?
A tutelar.
Voice is not coming clear. Huh? Once again.
Sir, maybe I'm confusing in pronunciation. That is a tutelar.
Which one you can say? Which number?
Wait, I'll type and I'll send, sir.
I think maybe you are speaking so fast, I'm unable to catch. This one is done?
Sir, he's talking about a tutelar. It means see you later, right, Shivangi?
Wait.
Acha, you are asking something which is not part of this exam. A tutler.
Yes, sir.
So that you can ask afterwards. Right now, we should go as per the exam only. So I'm getting confused. Okay. This one is done. This one. Now coming to introduce yourself in 5 sentences. This also I will check, so you can skip. Now, les jours de la semaine. This is the right answer. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, and dimanche. So this you can check. And Arpita, you have to remember all these. There is no other option in this, spelling and pronunciation.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Done? Okay. The next one was Le Mois de l'année, months of the year. And these are the months. Xavier, Fevrier. In Fevrier, the first E is having ague accent. The first E. Fevrier. Mars, April, May, Juin, Juillet, Août, Septembre, October, November, and December. December. In December also, first E is having ague accent. There are two E with ague accent. You have to be careful. And Août is having circumflex on U. In French, if you are not using accent, it will be wrong spelling. So accents are very important. So there are three accents on these 12 months. One in February, one in Août, and third one is on December. December.
Done, sir.
Okay. Why are you learning French language? You can skip because this I will check. And the last one. I have filled up all the answers. You can correct. 1, 2, 3, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 10, 11, 12, 6, 7, 8.
Done, sir.
Okay. Fine. So, merci beaucoup. You have checked. I think there are 2, 3 questions which I need to check. And what I will request, I have all the answers with me. You have sent me. So, from tomorrow morning to evening. Evening, what time? Tomorrow is Saturday. So, tomorrow morning till 4 o'clock, you can choose any time. Send me a message when you are free. We will connect on phone, and then I will check your answers online. Means I will check here this side, and you can do the correction that side. For all the subjective answers, like why you are learning French language and 10 letters from 10 alphabets, number 2, and introduce yourself. So all these 2, 3 questions I will check online. Right, Shivangi?
Yes, sir.
So check your
And then
schedule.
we will connect, sir.
So check your schedule of tomorrow, and I am free till 3 o'clock. From 4 o'clock, my class is there.
Okay, sir. 1 to 2, 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Are you free?
So 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. is okay. We will take hardly 10,
Then we
15
will
minutes,
connect
not
that.
more than that. So 1 p.m. I will keep it for you. Arpita, you also let me know
Okay, sir.
your time.
Yeah, we both are free.
Yes, sir. This time is okay.
Okay, okay, okay. So 1 o'clock I will connect. I will send you the link and all, and then we will not link. Okay, I can send the link and we can connect and we can finish. Okay, fine. Now the second half we are going to have the oral test.
Oral test. Yes.
So oral test, because it's the first one, I'm not going to make it a bit tough. It's going to be easy. So you can choose anything. Either you can choose Jour de la semaine, or you can choose Mois de l'année, or you can choose counting from. So you have to switch on your camera so that I can see how you are speaking. You can go from 1 to 20 numbers, or you can give me some 5, 6 phrases in French language. So anything you choose. You choose. I'm going to speak this one. and I will just listen to you and check how good you are in pronunciation. Fine. So choose what you want to choose, Shivangi. Either days of the week or what? Months of the year?
Days of the week.
Days of the week?
Months of the year.
Okay. So please start. Let me listen.
Janvier, February, March, April, May, Juin, Juillet, Août, September, October, November, December.
Okay. Few mistakes. One is a to sound is not there. September nahi, September. To. September. Right? And June is Juan. Juan in French. But otherwise it's okay. What else?
Okay.
Months of the year you speak? Oh, no, months done. Jour of the days of the week. Sorry.
Yes, sir. Days of the week.
Okay, okay.
I had remembered today.
Start days of the week.
Sir, Lundi, Mardi, Mercredi, Zayudi, Venvridi, Siudi, and Demons.
In this you have a bit difficulty. It's Landi, Mardi, Mercredi, Vandredi, Zedi, Samedi, and Dimanche. Okay, fine. It's okay. It's okay. You are going good. Arpita, what you can speak? You can speak any 5 phrases in French. Any 5 means I am sorry or thank you very much. See you
Yes,
soon.
sir.
Whatever. Any 5.
Yes. Sir, bienvenue, it means welcome.
Very good.
Bonjour, mes amis, it means good morning, my friends.
Okay.
And after that, merci, it means I'm sorry.
Mhm.
Beaucoup,
What,
it means very much.
1 minute. 1 minute. Go back. Go back. Messi
Merci beaucoup.
means
Sir, merci, it means sorry.
no.
Sir, thank you. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Sir, thank you.
Thank you.
That means thank
And
you.
merci beaucoup
Sorry,
means
sir. Thank you.
merci beaucoup.
Thank you very much.
Thank you
Thank
very
you very
much.
much.
Okay.
And
Anything
after
else?
that, sir, salut, it means hi.
Hi.
And after that, abhianto,
Hmm.
abhianto, see you later.
See you soon. Hmm.
See you soon. Yes, sir.
Okay.
And after that, okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank you,
that's
sir.
it. Okay, fine, fine. Okay, so let me see. So we have still 10 minutes. So I will try to check the subjective answers today itself. 1 minute. I am just opening one by one. I think
Excuse me, sir.
yes. Tell me, Arpita.
Sir, I want to say, sir, can I speak?
Yes, yes, yes. Tell me.
Sir, I want to say that, sir, can you please revise those previous sessions
I am
for me because, sir, it
fully
is very
I
hard
am
for
fully
me.
on that. I am fully on that. But I was waiting for one more candidate, and he has become ready also. So I think by the end of this week he will be ready, and I will try to start from Monday onwards.
Okay, sir.
So I think when you
Okay,
joined,
sir. Thank you so much.
when you joined in which class? 8th or 9th?
Uh, yes, sir. I think
It's
I think
8th.
yes, sir. Maybe
Okay, okay, okay.
eighth
So don't worry. I will take you through to the all previous chapters.
sessions. Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Now let me see where it is. I'm checking your this thing. Okay. What happened to your this one? I think Shivangi has scanned. Okay, I got it now. Okay, so starting with Arpita. Arpita, first one is okay. Aeroplane, bebe, xylophone, yacht. So I have problem with few of them. One. So aeroplane is okay, baby is okay, xylophone also is okay, and. Now check the spelling of yacht. It is Y-A-C-H-T. Y-A-C-H-T, and C is coca, C-O-C-A. And elephant, you have accent on both E. Last elephant, you have accent on both E. So your first three, they are correct. And then last three is having problem. It's fine. Now. Okay, Jamapel, okay, you have not done it. Okay, leave it. Okay, I have to go in IFS. The better sentence is going to be, I have to join IFS. I have to join. I have to join IFS. If I, and I will never be in a small letter. If I check that I has to be capital. If I learned will not be in past tense. अगर मैं French सीखती हूँ, so if I learn French, present tense. Okay, T नहीं होगा वहां पर. If I learn French, then it will be more convenient. The spelling of convenient has to be checked. Convenient में V के बाद E आएगा. It will be more convenient for me to serve Indians. Again, I capital, Indians. In other countries, because French ka F will be always capital. It's a language because French is the second most spoken language after English. Fantastic. If I could not, I capital hoga. If I could not clear IFS, then my plan B is to go in private sector. And in that sector, I can also, I capital, I can also use French, and it will give me more opportunities to explore the world. Explore ka E will be small. Fine. This is also done. So, how many marks were there? Why are you learning French? Do you remember?
What, sir?
The question, why are you learning French, was having how many
Yes.
marks? How many marks? 10 marks?
I don't know, sir. I can't remember.
Don't remember? Okay, I will tell you. I think it was 10 marks. 1 minute. Let me share only.
Okay, sir. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And
Okay.
sir, I did 7 to 8 mistakes.
That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. So this was of 13 marks. So you can give yourself 5. You can give yourself 4 marks in this. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, sir.
And introduce yourself. You have not done because you have not gone through this. Okay. And then write
Yes,
10
sir.
words from any 10 alphabets. This is of 10 marks. And you have done, you will get 3 marks in this. Number 5.
Yes, sir.
That's it, I
Yes,
believe.
sir.
Rest all are of
Yes, sir.
okay. Now coming to
Okay.
Shivangi. Shivangi, where she has done. ओके ओके, आपका ये सब गलत है शिवांगी। द प्ल्यूसेट, गैल आपने मिस कर दिया है, वो मुआ आपने मिस कर दिया है। हाँ, so please check correctly. Okay, now introduction. Je m'appelle, M is missing. Je m'appelle Shivangi, M is missing. J'habite, A is missing. J'habite à Muzaffarpur. And je suis, एतुदियांत में ई ब्रैकेट में नहीं आएगा. Why I put in bracket? Because I was giving you both example. If it is a male member, then E will not be there, and if there's a girl, it will be TE.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so आपका ये तीनों का तीनों में कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. एक में एम मिसिंग है, एक में जबीत के बाद अ नहीं है, और ज सुई नहीं है, और एतुदियांत में डी के बाद आई भी मिसिंग है. So what was the total marks of 10 marks का था? 10 marks I have given for 5 sentences. आपने 3 लिखा है और 3 में भी आपने गलतियां की. Give yourself 3 marks. Question number 8, 3 marks. अरे ये पूरा आपने छोड़ दिया है. लेजूर दला सिमेन. My God, शिवांगी, आपका
उस दिन याद ही नहीं था, आज याद हुआ है.
आज याद हो गया. ओके. एंड इन मुआ दलाने में भी दिक्कत है, स्पेलिंग गलत है. ज़ैवियर का भी गलत है, फेब्रुअरी का भी गलत है. हाँ, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, बाकी सब सही है. एंड आई एम पता नहीं, आई एम नॉट हैप्पी विथ योर दिस थिंग आल्सो. योर जुइये भी गलत है आपका. आई पहले होगा, JUI होगा. प्लीज डू द करेक्शन विदाउट एनी क्या बोलते हैं उसको, बेईमानी. हाँ, गिव योरसेल्फ
Sir,
द
I'm not doing Bimani.
हाँ, because you should know the right marks, and you should understand where I stand, how much hard work I will do. Okay, why are you learning French? As I am arts student, I need to learn French language. Now I need to learn. इस learn का L मुझे लग रहा है capital. What you say, Shivangi?
Sir, it is capital. I should write
You
as
should
small.
write small. हाँ ना? I need to learn French language because की spelling में मुझे क्यों लग रहा है दिक्कत? अच्छा, आपका लिखने का स्टाइल वैसा है. ओके, ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Because it is almost नहीं. जब भी हम यूज करेंगे सुपरलेटिव, मोस्ट, रिचेस्ट, पुअरेस्ट, उसके पहले द आता है, ए और एन नहीं आता है. राइट? सो इट इज द मोस्ट कॉमन एंड इंपॉर्टेंट लैंग्वेज आफ्टर इंग्लिश. इट इज वेरी हेल्पफुल. career wise also, है ना? It is very helpful by नहीं, it is very helpful career wise also. And spelling of career is wrong. क्या होगा spelling career का, शिवांगी?
CARRIER.
No. Arpita, spelling of career.
CAREER.
Fantastic, very good. ये जो आपने लिखा है ना career,
That career was like something baggage holding,
हाँ,
right,
ये
sir? That career.
साइकिल का कैरियर हो गया पीछे वाला. ओके शिवांगी.
Yes, sir.
CAREER होगा. करियर वाइज ऑल्सो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ. आप लिख रहे हैं ए, और ए के बाद आप लॉट में लगा रहे हैं एस. कैसे चलेगा काम? अगर आपने ए लगा दिया तो लॉट में एस नहीं होगा. देयर, अच्छा, अगर आप
है सर.
देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ डाल दिया ना आपने. there are lots of career opportunities. Got it? There are lots of career opportunities. Now, in this language, and I want to do PhD from this language because it will give weightage. Spelling of weightage also is wrong. WEIGH, weight में G के बाद H आता है,
H is missing.
है ना? H, weightage
हाँ,
to
H
my
is missing.
resume. Doing PhD with French is my plan. Plan B कि plan D?
Yes, sir. It's my plan B.
So A, B, C, D. How many plans you have?
I have till plan D, sir.
Okay, I have learned only that we have plan A and plan B. This is my main plan and this is my backup plan. But Shivangi is one step ahead. She's having 4 plans. Okay. And French आपने जहाँ भी लिखा है, French का F will be capital. Right? Because
Okay, sir.
language we always write in capital. Okay, fantastic. So why are you learning French? This was of 13, नहीं, कितने marks का था? 13 marks का था. You can give yourself, थोड़ी बहुत गलतियां इसके अंदर में है. Give yourself 7 marks in this, 7. And in case of your, where is your, this thing? Yeah. Introduction, I think I told you. How many marks? 3 marks.
In introduction, 3 marks, sir.
3 marks. And where are the, this one? 10 alpha, हाँ, मिल जाएगी. Aeropoct. Aeropoct में E का ague
Question
गायब है.
number
Question number 5. Aeropoct का A के
Yes,
बाद
sir.
जो E है उस पे ague आएगा. Bebe is correct. Dindon is correct. Circumflex. Circumflex में O के बाद M नहीं है. N है. N. Circumflex. Escargot is correct. Francais is correct. Garçon is correct. Sans. Sans भी सही लग रहा है मेरे को. Sans में एक E एक्स्ट्रा आ गया है. It is SINGE. Jocond में J के बाद O है. And zebra. Zebra में first E के ऊपर ग्राव है. Zebra. So आपका 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 लिखा है आपने. 10 में आपका पहले वाले में आधा मार्क, 1.5, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.5, 7, 7.5 out of 10. Done? हो गया, सब चेक हो गया आपका?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now both of you can do the totaling and drop a message in the group. How many marks? Don't worry, Arpita, your marks will be very less, but in next
So
exam you will cover up.
match of the following तो सर सारा सही है, but ये लिखने वाला तो गलत है. बहुत सारा.
So now you came to know Shivangi कि कहाँ आपका weak point है and where you need to work. What I will suggest,
बहुत weak है.
till the time you are doing this class, be alert, be studious, because जो अभी आप पढ़ लेंगे, that's it. उसके बाद when you will stop this class, you are going to forget. अभी जितना hard work करेंगे, that is going to be with you for a long time.
Yes, sir.
Right then,
Sir,
so
I got 21 marks.
21.
Yes, sir, total.
Okay, so 21 is good marks. Without doing any classes, if you are getting 21, it's good. Fine. Shivangi, you also do the total. And Friday. Now,
1 minute.
from Monday, we will start our new chapters from Monday. Most probably, we will go for, I will tell you what is my plan for Monday. Monday, my plan is that we will discuss what?
Total paper कितने marks का था?
It should be 100. 13, 15,
Sir,
25,
53.5.
32, 42, 47, 53, 63, 73, 79, 84, 90, अच्छा 90 marks का, sorry 90 marks का, 90.
Sir,
6, 11.
53.5.
Okay, okay, okay. Marks सिर्फ इसलिए है because we should know कहाँ हमें hard work करना है. Right. So
Yes, sir.
in the next class we will go for the family. We'll try to understand what we will call all our family members in English. We have learnt about mother and father. We will learn other relations also. And I will try my best to start one class for Arpita also from Monday onwards, so that she can cover up all the past lessons. Right?
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
then see you on Monday. I will be sending you the timing of new class. Shivangi, if you have any doubt in any class, past classes, you can always come and join.
Yes,
Okay, there's no problem in that.
I'll join.
Okay.
If you don't
Yes,
have
sir.
any issue,
That will be
then I'll-
revision for her.
So I will be posting all the links in the group only, so you can come and join. No problem there. Fine,
Like,
then
if
see
you
you.
have
Huh.
don't
What Shivangi? Please once again.
if you don't have any issue, I will join all the classes.
I don't have any issues. Once you have done your chapter one you can do again and again. I don't have any problem. Okay.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
thank you.
Right then. See
Thank
you
you,
on
sir.
Monday. Take care. Bye bye. Good day.
Then tomorrow will not join.
Okay, sir. Bye-bye.
Tomorrow is what?
1
Tomorrow,
p.m. to 2 p.m. will not join.
not required. No, not required. We have finished.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. We are finished.
Okay. See you on Monday. Bye.
Okay.
Take care. Good day.
Okay, sir.
Thanks, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye.